Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are learning how to solve 4x4 Rubik cube with easiest method. So I have 4x Rubik cube in my hand. Why call it 4x4? Because it has 4 layer 1, 2, 3, 4, same as 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 layer. That's why it's called as 4 layer. So see on this. So these are the centers. These 4 pieces are the centers. These are the right side. This upper side. This is left side. This is round down side, and this is front side, and this is back sides. So these are the edge, these are the corner pieces. These two are edges, and this is the center pieces, and these are also edges, and these are edges. These are corner pieces. So now I have scrambled 4x4 Rubik cubes. So let's continue how to start that. So first step is to create your centers. So how you can orientate that? So find out white. So I'm starting with a white. So find white, another piece. So white over here. So white over here, white. Okay. And second step also white over here, white. So find out white, white one color here, and second one here. So I'm creating pair of that white. Okay. I got one pair over here and one pair over here. So I simply doing this. So taking pair over here. So my white center gets solved. Now focus on yellow. White always opposite to yellow. So I want yellow center over here. So find out yellow edges, yellow pieces. So one over here. So I am creating pair of that. Okay. So I got one pair of yellow. Now I'm taking over here. So I am taking opposite to here. So whenever I'm moving this, okay. So my white center gets mismatch. So do like this, rotate 180 degree and move again white in a previous position. So your white gets in solved positions. Now my one pair gets over here. So I can find out one piece also over here. So find out one more piece. So one more piece over here. So first steps to create their pair. So how you can create? So okay. So okay. So I'm creating pair. Okay, pair, and again taking back to, so my white center gets solved, same yellow center gets solved. So move to the next color, any color, green. So already I solved one pair of green. So find out another pair over here. So find out green color over here and one green color over here. So create their pair. So how can you create? So just see over here, the piece, green piece over here. So I want piece over here. So first steps to take piece, green piece over here and move. Okay. So your green pair gets solved. So find out one. So I'm now get solved. So your green pair gets solved. Okay. Find out one more, that is blue. So blue pair. So I want a blue pair. So blue, already one pair is solved and two pieces over here. So first steps to take over here. Okay. So now my orange, my green get mismatch. So do okay. Okay. So here the green gets solved. Now blue. So how you can solve this blue? So to creating blue. Okay. And I am okay. Now I am rotating this. So my okay. So now your green and blue pair gets solved. So your blue and green center gets solved. Now focus on another center. So I already solved this pair. So I want red piece over here. So find out red piece here. So simply you can do this. Okay. And okay. So whenever you move this over here, so your orange gets over here, and okay, okay, so your orange and green, orange and red pair gets solved. So simply arrange it. So now your all centers solved. But how you can know that your centers exactly in the same positions, means like they are in a good in a correct positions. So simply match with the corners. So find out white. Okay, white. So orange over here. So if I orange, okay, so my orange and green. Now find out green piece over here. So where is a green? Okay, so green and okay. So green, green, orange, green. But here we want red because color is red here. Corner piece color is a red. So this is an in a not correct position. So simply move like this. Okay. Again red comes. Okay. Now two. Then blue. Okay. So my red color gets over here. Green, orange, red, and find out which color. And one more white piece over here. Okay. So okay, okay, yes, yeah. Now you can see this your colors: red, green, orange, and blue over here. So simply blue. Okay. Now your all centers in a correct positions with a correct. Okay. This is your first steps to align center in a proper positions. So red, white always opposite to yellow. If you not remember the other colors, then match with this pattern, means like match with the corner pieces. So your corner pieces with the correct colors, then it will be good. Okay. Now next step is to solve your edges like if you find any edges, solve position. Okay, like this. So your the second steps to solve edges. So like this, red, and white. For that, I have two algorithms to match edges. So simply do this. Find out green color over here. Okay, so find out one more green color. Where it is a green? You can see where it is a green. Okay, green over here. So simply green and okay. So create algorithm like this. So you have white, green, white. So follow simple this algorithm, the algorithm. D anti-clockwise, R upward, U clockwise, R downward, and D clockwise. This consider D is a D. Okay, so your white and green get solved. So move in the top position. So now next move to the next, any colors those you want to match. So just find out orange, white, orange, white. Okay, okay. Now orange, white. So do same algorithm again. D anti-clockwise are upward, U clockwise are downward, and so you can see here you get solve solve layer. So simply do take unsolved and then move to the okay. So now your orange piece edges get solved. Other colors, and I can see I can see any colors we was matching blue and okay, not okay, orange and blue, orange and blue. So initial steps to take top unsolved edges, then apply algorithm same. Okay, now already your top position gets solved. So one more. Okay, okay. Hmm. Now, okay. So already on top all edges are solved. So put in the bottom. Now find out another's color. So I'm taking which one? Match colors. Mm, which colors? Okay. So you got this color. Okay. Yellow and red. So see the solid layer. So take on all sol on top. Okay. Now unsolved on this. Apply same algorithm. And okay. So your this color gets solved. Now find out one more colors. White. Okay. So make sure your solid edges are not here. Okay. So blue and white. Apply same algorithm for the blue. D anti-clockwise are upward, U clockwise are downward, and D clockwise. So your blue gets solved. Now focus on one more pair. I can see over here. So simply okay. So I can see over here. Now I've so already solved position over here. So move that on the top positions. Same over here. Move on the top. Okay. Now okay. These are the so okay. You get solve edges and find one more colors. So orange, orange over here. So I'm taking blue over here. No, no. Okay, yeah, blue orange. So apply same. Okay, so your blue orange, that's all. Now find out another colors. So you can see okay, unsolved. Okay, red piece. Okay, so red blue. Okay, and I want a unsolved layer on the top. So find out unsolved layer. Okay, unsolved over here. So I'm taking that unsolved on the top. Okay, so apply same algorithm. B R U R D. Okay, so your red and blue get solved. Now unsolved over here. So I want red over here. So yellow. Okay. Yeah. Yellow, blue, green, yellow, green. So I want unsolved. So okay. Okay. Yellow sound. So find out one more. Find out unsolved over here. So unsolved. Okay. Okay. These are fine. Got it. So now I have 1, 2 unsolved layers. So now already I solved everything, but I have 2 unsolved layers. You can see this yellow, orange, yellow, red, green, and orange, green, orange, green. For this, apply this algorithm. If you find out this condition, this condition gets every last time. If you get this condition, so apply this algorithm. So I am doing D anti-clockwise, R upward, front clockwise, U clockwise, R downward, F anti-clockwise, and D clockwise. So your edges get solved. So now you can see all edges already in a solved positions. So now it's behave like a 3 by 3. These are my first layer. These are my one layer, second layer. This is a middle layer, and this is my third layer. So now it's behave like a 3 by 3. So now you can solve this Rubik cube using 3 by 3 algorithm. So first step to solve your plus sign. So now I'm finding plus sign. So you can see blue. Okay, blue. So okay, blue. Okay, red already in solve positions. So find out orange. Okay, now green over here. So simply do same. Okay, yeah. Now you can see your plus gets solved. Now solve the corner pieces. So find out corner pieces blue. Okay, fine. Okay, and red. Yeah. For this you can watch my 3 by 3 Rubik cube. I'm doing fast, so you just search my 3 by 3 Rubik cube video and you can solve. So now I'm solving corner pieces with yeah. Okay. So now your corner pieces also get solved. Now focus on these edges. So for this you can apply this. algorithm. Okay, blue and blue, so we can do like this. Same you can solve over here. So yes, and red over here. So solved. Now orange and green. Yeah, till this is okay. Oh, algorithms. So you can apply these algorithms. Okay, R and F for the further. So I am applying R algorithm. R upward, U clockwise. R downward, U clockwise. R upward, U 2 times clockwise, and R downward. So now you get this sign. So apply this algorithm. F clockwise, U clockwise, R upward, U anti-clockwise, R downward, F clockwise. So now you get this sign. So apply again same algorithm. F clockwise, R U clockwise, R upward, U anti-clockwise, R downward, and F clockwise. So your top position gets solved. Now follow this two algorithm to solve 3 by 3. Means like 3 by 3. So I'm doing okay. Yeah. R clockwise, F clock, R downward, F clockwise, R downward, back 2 times clockwise, R upward, F anti-clockwise, R downward, back 2 times clockwise, and R 2 times clockwise. So your gets. So now apply this algorithm. F clockwise 2 times, U, L downward, R downward, F 2 times clockwise, upward, and 2 times clockwise. So not solved, then apply again algorithm same. So get your 4 by 4 Rubik cube gets solved. This if you not get any parity cases. So what is the parity cases? So we can create few parity cases for we can create parity cases. So we are creating parity cases. Okay, this is a parity case. So if you find out like this case, so parity case means like if you find out this case, so your edge is not in a correct positions. So what to do? So simply apply this algorithm. The small r becomes this one, and small l become this one left. So just applying algorithm, r small r clock downward, u 2 times clockwise, then l downward, front 2 times clockwise, 1 2, then again l upward, again front 2 times clockwise, 1 2, and r 2 times downward. Okay, u 2 times clockwise, again r upward, u 2 times clockwise, R downward, U 2 times clockwise, front 2 times clockwise, then R 2 times clockwise. So your cube gets solved. This is your parity case. So whenever get like parity case like this, so you just simply apply this algorithm. So this is 4x4 Rubik cube with easiest method. You can solve this 4x4 with easiest method. Thank you. Thank you for the watching my videos. Okay. Thank you.